friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a thrifting haul. This haul contains two small items from an antique store that we just happened to stumble by today, and then the rest of the items are from Savers, and that's the only two places that we went. And I don't know if I'll be styling. Some of the stuff that I got is more for fall, so I'm going to put those pieces aside, but I'll show you where the other pieces end up. And let's get thrifting. I have a little bit of footage, not too much. Savers was quite packed today and they get really mad at me when I film in there, but let me share what we have so far. Let's take a look. So a little bit of footage there, but let's get on to the haul. But first I just want to say hello, my name is Tina. I do all things thrifting, homemaking. I love English country, everything. Lollapalooza as far as English country goes. And I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and be a part of our family. We are a positive area where we all uplift and just fill each other with joy. And I just want this channel to be a very positive place to give you lots of inspiration to go out there and do some thrifting. So anyway, let's see the goodies that I did pick up. So the first two small things I got, we went to lunch today. So if you're in Connecticut, in the Manchester area, there's a new English pub that opened, and the name of it is Audacity. And I'm sorry I didn't film anything in there. I was being present with my family, but it was really cool. I had cottage pie and Yorkshire pudding, and it's really cool. We are going to go back, so I will take you through it, but if you wanted to look at it online, it's Audacity in Manchester, Connecticut, and it was awesome. Highly recommend. There's a little like antique store right next door, so I just popped in really quick, and I just picked up two small items, and they were both these little wooden pieces. So I think this one's a little masher, and it was 50 cents, and I have no idea what this is, but it was really cute. If you guys know what it is, let me know in the comments. But I picked up both of these little wood pieces, and I'm gonna style them. I have a glass jar over on my dry sink, so my thought was, and it's empty, to try to collect small wooden pieces and just kind of fill it up as I go. So these will be my first two pieces, so we'll put those in there after. That's the first two things I got, and then we're gonna move on to Savers, where I picked up everything else. There are a few items for fall, like I said, so we'll put those away. But there are a few items here. I didn't pick up a lot this time at all. It's gonna be a quick video, guys. But I did wanna show you the few things that I did find. And this print was $4.99. And I thought it was just so pretty. And it's just a picture of like an old bathroom. But I loved the picture of the bathroom. Like, I wanna decorate my bathroom this way now. And I just thought it was like so pretty. So I'm gonna hang this up in our main bathroom. I was gonna put it in the master bath, but I don't know, I kind of want everybody to see it when they come over, so I'm gonna hang that up in there. So I'll show you where that ends up. So we have that, so let me put that over here. Let's see. So then I've been looking for one of these for quite a while, and I wasn't sure that I wanted one at first, but then the more home tours I've been watching and things like that, I picked up, I guess this is a pie plate holder. But my idea was I was gonna leave this as part of my tablescape on my table with some pretty dishes in it. And I thought, well, you know, my dishes are just tucked away in a cabinet, why not keep them out? And I can change them seasonally. I could change them every week if I wanted to. If I find, you know, cool plates thrifting or ones that I already have, I can kind of mix and match. So I thought that was kind of a neat idea. And it was $3.99 from Savers. And so I did grab it. And, you know, I'm constantly going in and out of the cabinet to get our dishes when we eat dinner. So I figured, why not just have them out? They're really pretty. And I do switch out my dishes for those of you who don't know. I have lots of dishes and lots of different prints. So depending on what we eat, and I don't know if you do this, let me know in the comments below, but do you make certain meals and then serve them on certain plates? Because I do. It depends on what we're eating as to which set of dishes we're going to eat on. It might seem crazy, but I don't know. It's just what I do. So I'm going to put some of them in here. So I'll show you how that gets styled. I'll put that over here for now. You could even keep it in the window. It looks really pretty over there. And then I thought I got 2 baskets, right? Maybe I only got 1. So I did pick up a basket. I thought I had 2 baskets. Well, maybe the other one's in there, but look at this basket. Isn't this great? It's very long and narrow. It was $3.49, and I don't see baskets like this very often. So I thought I would pick it up, and I'm going to be using this in our bedroom, and that's one video that will be coming up. Either it'll be Wednesday's video or next Sunday's video, but we're going to do a bedroom refresh, and I'm going to show you guys the process, and we're going to decorate it together, and some of the things I got from Amazon, some of the things I've thrifted, so we're going to put them all together. But this is definitely one piece that's going to be going in there, and you'll see where it ends up. So I got that one. I could swear I bought 2 though, but I guess I bought 1. Then I bought so this was $2.99, and it's a gavel. It's missing the thing you hit, but I just thought, how cool is this little piece? I mean, I don't know if it's authentic, if it's an antique of any kind. I mean, it doesn't look worn anywhere, so I don't think so. But I thought it was just kind of cool. Maybe I'll put it up on the mantle or in a cabinet, or I don't know, I'll put it somewhere. But I thought it was really cool, and I never really find gavels very often, so I picked one up. That. And then I found this, and it was $3.99, and it's a little bust of Abe Lincoln. I don't know what drew me to it, but I saw it on the shelf, and I thought to myself, you know what, I'm gonna tuck this in the mantle somewhere. I don't know, I just like it. I like it a lot. And this is like solid, I don't know, lead, steel, I don't know what it is, but it's super heavy for something so small. But I thought it was just so cool. So I grabbed Mr. Lincoln. And then, so I bought this, and I don't think it was just kind of cool, so I bought it. I'm gonna use this as a spoon rest on the stove. So I did pick this up. It was $2.49. Here's the marking on it. And I just thought it was kind of cute. I was like, oh, this is like the perfect little thing to rest my spoon on when I'm cooking, or my spatula on when I'm cooking, and it doesn't look like a spoon rest. I'm not really a fan of spoon rests. I don't know why, I don't like any of them. So when I found something that I could actually use as a spoon rest, I was like, oh my God, this is perfect. So I picked this up, and I figured, you know what, I'm just gonna use this. Really cute. And then, so this is a fall item, and it was $2.99. It was just a cute little pumpkin dish. got an elastic on it. Let me take it off. So it's just a cute little pumpkin dish for fall. I thought it was just so cute. And I will definitely find a home for this little fellow when I decorate for fall. And I think I'm going to start my fall decorate. I'm going to do a series of a few different videos, and I'm going to start those in August. So right around the corner, because I don't know why, I just love fall, and fall decor is my favorite. So we're going to get started with that right away. So by second week of August. But got that little guy. And I also got another one. This one was $4.49, and it's just a glass pumpkin. It needs a good washing and scrubbing, but I thought I would use this maybe on the entryway table or in our formal living room, somewhere like that, and just fill it with like candy corns and things like that. I don't know if you like candy corns. I love candy corns so much. So even if I put them in here, they're not going to last long, because every time I go by, I'll take a handful. But I did grab one of these, and I think I have another one in my fall, one of my fall totes, but can't have too many glass pumpkins, right? So I grabbed that one. So those ones will be styled at a later time. And then I got for my cats, and this was so cute, and it was only $5.99, but I found this ginormous basket. It is huge, and I love it. And my thought was I'm just going to clean it out really well. And I also thrifted something else to go in it. But I thought, especially on, you know, fall nights or something like that, to put this with a blanket in it, like in front of our fireplace, I think the kitties would absolutely love it. And they'd be all snuggled in there, and there's plenty of room for all 3 cats. So I picked up this huge basket, and I'm telling you guys, if you don't get baskets at a thrift store, you're wasting your money. There are so many baskets in any thrift store you go to. And like I said, this one was $5.99. To buy a basket this big at like Target, you know, it would be way more than that. So definitely check your local thrift stores for baskets, especially if you're making like a gift basket for somebody, or putting together a basket just like for a coworker or whatever. You know what? These are great to have. And then for the fall, I did find this really pretty blanket. And this one was $4.99. I'm sorry, $4.99. And it was just this really, really pretty fall blanket. So it's got of like blues and tans and whites. And I just thought it was so pretty. And so I guess I did only get one basket. So that was it. This was a short and sweet video. But I did want to share the things that I did pick up, just to show you kind of some of the things that are getting into thrift stores now. You'll find lots more like fall things as people like start cleaning out their stuff, looking for their decor. You know, they get rid of stuff because they want to buy something else, and then that's where you come in and scoop it up. So those are all the things that I got, and I am going to now kind of just do like set to music where all these pieces ended up, and I'll show you. The fall things though, obviously I'm putting away, and we will do those in August. But thank you so much for watching. Let's get over and start the decorating. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, the notification bell. This way you'll know when a video is posted. But my regular schedule is going to be Sunday mornings and Wednesday mornings. Maybe an additional one here or there if I get a chance to, because I love doing them so much. So I will see you in the next video. Let's get to decorating.